This is the bracket. They're laser cuts. They're gonna be powder coated. They're not gonna be this color. So yeah. This is the number plate, like plate, I don't know.
And it painfully strikes when I see your smile, even though I know I've been in pain for a while. And every time you call my name out loud, I can be the one to take the damage like a shroud. Her voice is like the purest sound when I hear it daily, but you're not around. All the beautiful things reminds of you, and baby, it is true. Seeing the photos in my head of the two dreams keep on coming just like they should. Now my heart is broken into two, and I keep on missing you. I don't need nobody else but you, that cute girl that protested before. We used to dream a lot about a house with a pool. Now I just scroll past and I can't get through it. And I'm trying to the fullest. Now the pain is nothing to it. Kinda lost but sticking to it. I'm a mess and notice to me. And I'm trying to the fullest. Now the pain is nothing to it. Kinda lost but sticking to it. I'm a mess and notice to me. And I'm trying to the fullest. Now the pain is nothing to it. Kinda lost but sticking to it. I'm a mess and notice to me. You know this world is going down. Let me tell you a story about a boy who got high. Sometimes we fly up in the sky, trying to deny all the bullshit that we had, all the crisis we will have, all the moments that we share. Breathe in the same air. You know this world is going down. Let me tell you a story about a boy who got high. Sometimes we fly up in the sky, trying to deny all the bullshit that we had, all the crisis we will have, all the moments that we share. Breathe in the same air. Ain't nobody got a napkin, wanna clean the dust of a filthy landing. And I know that it's fake, losing my control over dumb mistakes. Don't wanna waste my time anymore. Love and peace is what I'm seeking for. Let's find a way and run to the shore. One day we all gonna end in the soil. Ain't nobody got a napkin, wanna clean the dust of a filthy landing. And I know that it's fake, losing my control over dumb mistakes. Don't wanna waste my time anymore. Love and peace is what I'm seeking for.
I'm pretty tired from today. I didn't do nothing, but still. So a huge thanks for them. And yeah, see you later.